It is what it is. Yeah, never play yourself, pay yourself.
What's up, homies? So this is going to be my apartment tour part 3. If you want to know why I've been in 3 apartments, just check the description box below. But this right here is the front door area, and then my roommate has a little postcard collection of all the places that she's been to. And right off of the front door we have a half bath. And then here we have the kitchen. It's pretty spacious. And then off of the kitchen we have my room. And yeah, I have a lot of stuff. I'm very Americanized. But this is just my little closet area. And then my little film setup and my mirror. And then when we leave my room, we have a closet. That's my roommate's, but I'm not gonna go in there. And then we have the other half bath. So it's kind of weird that one bathroom has just, well, no, I should say it's weird that this bathroom doesn't have a toilet. But it's actually kind of helpful because sometimes when one of us is showering, the other person is actually able to use the bathroom. They need to do so. And then this area is our living room, and we spend the majority of our time here together watching TV and also talking, because I'm only able to talk to her in Spanish because she's helping me to learn. So I've been learning so much from our little conversations alone. Then we have a little balcony area. And here we have to line dry our clothes. Today is pretty chilly. The weather is starting to get a lot cooler here in Barcelona later. And then that's my roommate's room, which I'm not gonna go into. But yeah, this is basically our house. It's very cute, very comfortable, and I like that it's just the two of us. So hope you enjoyed the video. Until the next one, ciao.